Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to troubleshoot common issues or errors in Timetree. So in that case, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. In order to fix your issue, you need to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. So sometimes the issue might occur due to the internet connection or unstable internet connection, which you have to follow it. Now let's say that if your events are not syncing across devices, you can try refreshing the app or website. Now ensure that you have a stable internet connection as already mentioned, and if the issue persists on, then you can log out and log in back into your Timetree account. For that case, you can long press on your Timetree app, and when you do that, you can go to app info page, and here you can go ahead and tap on storage and cache, and at the same time click on clear cache and then click on clear storage. Now this is gonna log you out of your account, so once again log it back, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. And if you happen to miss events or check if there are any hidden or archived, so in the Timetree app, navigate to the settings and check the visibility settings. So you can just go ahead and log into your account, and then you can just go to the settings, tap the gear icon and go to the option that says receive notification, and make sure that you have enabled visible notification and all that. And once done, you should be able to fix the issue all at once. And however, if you are unable to create events, make sure you have the necessary permission. If you are part of the shared calendar, you can check if the appropriate editing rights. If not, contact the calendar owner or the administrator, and you should be able to create events. And likewise, if the app crashes or freezes frequently, you can try updating the app to the latest version. Just you have to go ahead and open up your Play Store, and then on the search box you can type in Timetree and make sure that the app is completely up to date, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. And the Timetree app is running slow, you can close other apps running in the background that may be consuming resources. Now you can restart your device to free up memory as well, and consider upgrading to the fastest internet connection if sync time are slow. Now these are some of the ways to troubleshoot your common issues or errors in Timetree. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.